need to blow your heads off. You're already stumped by my riddles.
Furious momentum!
Haven't found anything yet.
Daphne can't grow while all these armored fighting things are squishing up the soil. You're welcome.
We have defenses to remove before the plant goddess can work. I made a mistake. Advantage mine. The god has no
Talents are wasted, Shark. Brainiac would hand you control of the oceans.
You screwed around, you found out. Now get back on mission.
I will destroy your target with you, Deadshot. Not with finesse. I like close range. We have crushed the enemy's vehicles into the dirt. Now Ivy can use the dirt.
Aw, thanks for churning up the ground for us and filling it with nutrients. Come to Daphne when you're ready to get started.
Aha! Daphne is here. Let us help them grow deep into the earth.
But roots can go real deep, can't they? Right in secret hideouts under the city.
The child is up to something.
The bite-sized sprouts are being attacked! Aid them!
Aiming for Deadshot.
The shark's power is impressive, but not unstoppable.
Plant babies can't protect themselves. Rude! Those soldiers are back and spreading corruption to Daphne.
Find the shark thing.
Welcome back, little ones.
Oi, Flower Power! What did you do down there?
When I get my vines on Brainiac, he's gonna pay. I'll poison his bloodstream and watch him burn from the inside out.
Sweetie, we're gonna need you to focus on finding that Batcave for us. You help us and we'll get Brainiac to leave you roots alone, alright?
Promise?
I swear, on all 4 of our lives.
My plants found all kinds of man-made caverns in Metropolis, but only a few of them match what Hack told me to look for. Can I destroy all the other ones?
Maybe later, kiddo. Right now, we need our way in. Gizmo, where's our freaking Batmobile?
On my way.
Toot toot, scumbags!
What the hell is this?
Every kid's dream, right? Even a gerbil was impressed.
You lied to us.
I mean, sure, he's a gerbil. Who knows what he's actually thinking?
You promised the Batmobile, not a crapmobile.
Crapmobile? This baby's all fixed with Wayne Tech spoofers and multi-scan masking. Far as any of Mr. Bruce Wayne's inventions are concerned, this beautiful creation is the Batmobile.
Still no way I'm getting in one of those.
It's off limits to the likes of you 4 anyways. I'll meet you at the spots that Chlorophyllus here found. You hold off the slavering hordes, I'll do some digital spelunking to see what's what. Bob's your uncle.
I do not have an Uncle Bob. Will we each be assigned an uncle?
Gizmo out.
Impressive. I think I've read about these.
Within this city's pistol stash. That Lex Luthor sits upon your cash.
Hey, you leave bat hanging, Droney? That last escapade with Bull Red was almost over too soon. Love the gasp and death at the end. This is the place we need to scan. Let's throw up the shitty bat signal for Gizmo's shitty Batmobile. Find the hidden bat is one of my favorite dramas. Let's scan for his cave.
Demanding, ain't ya? Well, my non-patented all-frequency scanner will find Wayne's garage door and open it toot sweet. Oh, might enrage any nearby alien scumbags, too. That's a known issue.
Comrades, let us fix Gizmo's issue. Kill them.
Whoa, I'm getting a lot of enemy interference on the scan frequency. I'm gonna need you to take out the trash so my electrical genius can do its work. Alright, we're halfway to possible bat success. Weird feedback, very promising.
Gonna break down Harley's target.
You're gonna want to get rid of those aliens
They say there's always another shot.
Yeah, they say it, Sharky, not him. Floyd's trying to boost your spirits. Let's go look in another hole.
Daphne and I found 3 caves where your man-bat might be. So you gotta check each of them. Or get lucky, but you're probably not lucky. Look at you.
Kinda hate how right Lil Red probably is. We really ain't lucky.
Come on, we gotta get this done before Gizmo blows his damn self up.
Hey, wise guy, a little less attitude. Was that flashing red light in my design spec?
We should hurry.
To welcome those from far and wide, this sign spells out our civic pride.
Aw, Droney needs a break. Hey Gizmo, that's the one, right? For sure? 2 out of 3 ain't bad. At least not for you. Keep the motor running, get the scanner scanning, and also let's not get killed.
Look at the positive side. We didn't find a cave last time, but you didn't get killed. Now let's take another shot at both.
It's destroying us. Stay alert.
Get that zap back in my shield. New bullets! Hold the line!
Scan's half done. A lot of weird crap under this city. How'd they get planning permission?
Nice work out there. You got it. Let's see numbers going up. That's my whole thing.
Going, going, going!
Heads up! Incoming schmucks in need of exploding!
Everything on quiet.
Mustang is hooked. Wouldn't have to fight him.
Checking it out, are you, Boomer?
Yes, we know. We should proceed to the true Batcave.
Inquire the city's best. Take Viking like eternal rest. Eternal rest.
It's the bottom of the ninth, and I'm already tired of this joke. You made me tired of jokes, Gizmo. Scan for the Batcave and make us the huge enemy target. It's a twofer.
Third time's the charm. This one better be the right cave. We're running out of juice. At least I think this is juice. Oh, Gerbil. Let's get him free! Time to stick. You kids got incoming! Take him out! And hey, don't let him scratch the paint! You gotta take care of the goods. No Batmobile, no Batcave, no Batman. You follow me here? You ain't finding fat squat if those alien yahoos keep interrupting the scan. Sick up!
Allow me!
Scan's halfway there already. Didn't I tell you this would be a piece of pie? Scan's practically done. Hey, we used an echolocation to find the bat. Huh? Ain't that gold?
Shoot him up fast, Shark.
Holly train coming through. Lie on the track.
My hunger is...
Scan on the fritz? Oh, that'd be the hordes of enemies. Yeah, we've struck gold. Oh, whatever the Batcave's built of stuff they make space shuttles with. Anywho, get these guys out of the way so I can land. Putting the heat on.
Gonna slam dunk.
Quiz in my sights.
Looks like I ain't bouncing back yet.
Pick it up, Quinn.
You did it! And let me say, it's truly disturbing watching you work. Well, get your butts over here. Now watch a maestro at work. Routing power from the reactor to the Wayne Tech spoofer.
Hold up. Did he say reactor?
Handshake accepted, voltage dangerously high, and still purring like a kitten.
Told you I'd get you in.
All right. Everyone ready for this?
Going into the cave or fighting Batman?
Actually, not feeling good about either, mate.
I do not fear my gruesome and almost certain death.
We ain't gonna outgear Bats, Deadshot. The guy's got the best gear. It's like his whole deal. Also the bat fixation.
What always bugged me was, why didn't bats live in a belfry? Lots of belfries in Gotham. Not even totally sure what a belfry is. I dozed off a lot in church.
Tight spaces, huh, Floyd?
Huh? Oh, no. I'm getting ready to take down the Batman.
I am confident that this will not go as badly as our first encounter.
I don't know. He didn't kill us then. This time he'd defo kill us, right?
Not if we shoot him first. That's my plan, anyway.
He's the damn Batman, not the damn, shark. What's an animal that likes light?
Sharks.
Guys, focus!
On the bat. We got the drop on him.
What is our strategy?
We all bust the door open and shoot him.
Deadshot?
Yeah, what she said.
Shoot him!
If you're seeing this, Robin, it means I've been compromised. I wanted to say goodbye, Tim. After everything, I'm proud to call you, Nightwing, and Oracle, my friends.
I don't think I can watch Batman cry.
This hologram's activation means that I, probably the entire Justice League, have gone rogue.
Here's the part where he's got a plan.
Babel protocols are active. I've been secretly developing countermeasures to nullify the rest of the League. I started with the Yellow Lantern, recovered after our battle with the Sinestro Corps. Green Lantern once told me that their rings are powered by the will of the user. Interestingly, I found that
Already did this bit.
enhancing the power of the battery. But that was just the start.
Tell us how to take you down, Bats. Never heard my guy Bruce talk this much in my life.
Nice production on the graphics.
Oh, stop! This is the kill and flash bit. It was more fun in person anyways.
What are you looking for, Harley?
Me. There is no anti-Batman device.
Ah, rats. Well, it was worth a shot.
Robin was here. I do not think he won.
That's got Robin. Talk about cutting out the middleman.
Team up with Nightwing, Oracle, and if you can find him, Jason. You'll need to rely on all your years of highly specialized training.
Uh-oh.
Discipline. Loyalty to your team.
Having a frickin' moment, you dummy!
None of us can do this alone. The team you lead. The family you choose. Together, you'll be formidable. That's something you taught me, son.
Keep it together, Shark.
Sharko, are you crying?
I have a complicated relationship with my father.
Join the club, man.
You and me both,
Haven't you,
Sharky.
mine?
Now, Superman. He's our friend, but he's also the most dangerous being to ever set foot on Earth. If you want to have any chance of defeating him... Welcome to the real Batman experience.
Guys? Sharko? Deadshot? Harley? Batman zapped our shit again. Oh, that's cheating. What the bloody hell am I gonna do with no speed force?
Guys, Bat has whammied us with fear gas. He wants you to freak out. We can't do this alone, only together. So you're gonna have to trust me. I need you to help me mix the fear toxin and then flood this whole damn man cave. I know how it sounds, but we got this. Keep radio silence. Bats will be tracking us. Harley out.
Mix the gas, not stop the gas. She's gotta be joking. Yeah, you're the joke digger. Reckon those three have already ditched you. They're probably having a big laugh about it, mate. But they're saying, let's leave Boomer huffing on spooky gas till Batman tags his hide. What a loser. Just can't run, mate. Coward's way out is right over there. Boom! Oh, don't do that! Besides, if I split and the others stay, then they die. That's the dilemma. And if you stay, then you all die. Nice one. Oh, that can't be how it works. Better not shit myself.
Mix the fear toxin and then flood this whole damn man cave. I know how it sounds, but we got this. Keep radio silence. Bats will be tracking us. Harley out.
You're out of your depth, and it gets deeper.
If my friends are overdosing on the fear toxin, I too will overdose on the...
I need you to help me mix the fear toxin and then flood this whole damn man cave. I know how it sounds, but keep radio silence. Harley out.
Taking orders from Gwen? That sure is my worst fear.
Dad? Did he bring me here because of you?
Zoe. It's a trick, Floyd. It's the goddamn toxin. From making this fear gas.
Like you killed Green Lantern and all the others? I'm never getting out of jail.
Nah, we ain't doing this haunted house bullshit. Trying to play my game.
You got your new crew. Is that how it is?
Bunch of damn fools. But the thing is, see, right now they're real and you're not. So yeah, I'm with them.
Deadshot. Bats is all over you like egg on an all-beef patty. Switch your target to this vent.
Okay, great. First I'm going here, now it's there. This better work, Gwen.
Batman's coming for you. You kinda deserve it, Dad.
Z, come on. We don't talk about my work. We ain't even having this conversation. You wanna come for me, Bat? Come for me, not my parents.
It's a deal.
I need you to help me mix the fear toxin and then flood this whole damn man cave. I know how it sounds, but we got this. Keep radio silence. Bats will be tracking us. Harley out. Great plan, Harley. Gambling it all on an idea you cooked up with intensive care. Is that you, Harleen? Babe, you gotta work on your bedside manner. So, tell me what you've been working on, HQ. Because it looks like you traded one killer clown to finish Mercury. This gang they're better for us. Oh, sweetie. You think these people can fix you? You think they care? They won't even follow your plan. You don't call it right in years, and then you go straight to the heavy stuff?
Like egg on an all-beef patty. Switch your target to this vent.
Wait, that ain't me! Deadshot! It's his vocal harmonizer or whatever!
He can't hear you, Quinzel.
Shit!
People think that maybe you're a better follower than a leader.
Now that is crazy talk. You'd never say that. I know this ain't you. It's Bat's fingers in my head. Listen, I've got this worked out. I hope
be proud of me one day. Harleen? I was talking to myself. The guys really think I'm loopy.
Who's laughing now, Quinzel?
Well, someone's about to get a heaping helping of hubris. Hope it ain't me.
Your faith in Harley Quinn delivered you right to me. Brainiac told me to preserve your bodies, but I'm going to enjoy destroying your minds.
You think I didn't know we'd have this little reunion one day? Took me years in Arkham to get any sense out of that jabbering kookmeister scarecrow, but I earned my degree in neurochemistry. Summa cum laude. See, you might be immune to your fear toxin, but you ain't immune to mine.
Impossible.
Welcome to your worst nightmare, Bats. Weapons free, boys. He's standing right there.
And he's a big giant demon!
Fear the Batman. You shouldn't have left Arkham.
Come
still fail. You always fail.
Sure glad that worked. Was fitty-fitty on us surviving the toxin.
Big Jerk's still breathing.
Wait, were you trying to kill him? Lex Luthor wants Batman alive.
Oh yeah, Adoy Harley. Anywho, nice work, guys. Now listen, what we definitely shouldn't do is put him in some kind of elaborate death trap situation.
What?
Trust me, been there.
Okay. Boomerang, get Lex on the line. What the hell? Again, Boomer?
What? I thought we were going for the hat trick. No? Fine. G'day, Lexi. We got the bat. Now what?
Excellent. Bring him to me at LexCorp.
How do we do that? Hello? Stiffness for the taxi.
Always wanted to do this. Let's go. Bat shoes on the other bat foot, ain't it? Ain't it, Bats? Gosh, he's really heavy. No, nobody help me.
Do you plan to carry him the entire way to LexCorp?
Who says I can't? You couldn't have mentioned the doohickey 2 frickin' minutes ago?
Sorry.
Or like Dark Bite. You know, because he's really small.
Yes, we get it.
Okay, gang. Last one to LexCorp's a demon bat. Let's handball back to LexCorp. And no killing them until after we get there.